In many parts of the world, temperatures drop so low that they become lethal for most creatures. At the same time, we find animals that only live in cold temperatures. This raises questions such as, how do these animals manage to survive the harsh winter cold? The answer is that these animals have some fascinating tricks they use to survive the winter cold. The polar bear is the largest and most famous of all polar animals. A massive animal, its weight can reach up to 700 kilograms in some cases, and its length can be around 3 meters. It is known for its white color, which distinguishes it from its brown or black bear relatives. One of the most interesting aspects of this white color is that, upon closer inspection, we find that it is not the most suitable color for cold climates, as white reflects a significant amount of sunlight, meaning it does not absorb the sun and therefore does not absorb the sun and therefore does not absorb heat. On the other hand, black is the color that absorbs the most sunlight and as a result is the warmest color. Logically, black should be the most suitable color for living in cold climates. So how can the white polar bear survive in these cold conditions with its white color? But the truth is that the answer to this question is quite astonishing. The polar bear, which appears to be white, actually has black skin. And this is what helps it absorb heat. For the white color is just fur that covers the skin from the outside and does not prevent heat from reaching the inner layers of the skin, with the black skin taking care of the rest of the task. In addition to the heavy fur that provides warmth, there are other important factors that help the polar bear stay warm. Well, the first factor is the diet, which contains very high amounts of fat, as its favorite meal is fatty marine animals. The second factor is the digestive system, which can absorb about 97% of the fat it consumes. The Arctic fox has adaptations that help it cope with its cold environment even better than the polar bear. Yeah, in fact, the Arctic fox deserves its own study. However, let's briefly discuss 5 talents that help it survive. First, the Arctic fox, like the Inuit people who build snow houses to resist the cold, builds its home inside the snow by digging tunnels that allow them to overcome the cold weather. The second ability is having a sharp sense of hearing that allows them to distinguish between different types of animals passing near their tunnel. If it is prey, they can kill it, like rodents, for example. The Arctic fox emerges from the tunnel immediately to catch prey that is unaware of anything, making food available to the fox many times without any effort. In addition, the Arctic fox eats anything, whether plants, animals, or small creatures, even the remains of animals.